back with our LMTV project. We just got this back from paint, and the first step we're going to do now is install the Oracle LED illuminated letters. These are a really popular product from Oracle Lighting, but since this truck is supersized, we also supersized the letters. These are about 2 times the size of what our normal letter is. But that's okay because we offer custom badging for just about any vehicle. So if you have a project that requires custom illuminated badging, be sure to check us out. The first step we're going to go ahead and do here is apply our template so everything's on there exactly how it needs to be, and then we'll start making some holes.